Alma of the Airwaves, Lucky of the Orange Couch. It is January 30th. It's a Saturday, okay? And today you're gonna enjoy a beautiful video from the beach. Surprise! It's just what happened because the weather is beautiful, it's cold, but my battery didn't die. So you're gonna see a lot of action. And the little tiny people who are walking in the snow and wanting to, enjoying it so much. 1 to 3 years old playing. Oh my God. To everybody who is young and who is enjoying snow for the first time, enjoy it. So today, we're going to discuss the following. It's common knowledge that we are where we are in life as a direct result of the decisions and choices we have made, including this morning. We're there because of the choices and decisions we made. It's really something. When I learned a few years ago that surrender and acceptance is the only way for me to make peace between my inner world and my outer world, I thought this is really something. But then I learned that I don't have to like things in order to accept them. You can accept things that you do not like. This was a big breakthrough because for years it kept me from forgiving above everybody else, myself, and moving forward because I thought I have to like what I accept. No, we have to accept things if we like them or not. Now, step 3, not only do I have to accept reality, what fate has for me, but now I have to bless it. Only then I'm on the right track to happiness. So accept, then bless. All circumstances, everything that has happened needs to be blessed in order for us to move forward. I like it. So today's theme is acceptance and blessing what's happening. Only by blessing that, it feels like nobody can stop you from loving everybody and everything. They just cannot stop you. If you decide to pray for them, there is nothing they can do. Enjoy your day. Have a wonderful day. The video is beautiful and we'll see you tomorrow. And tomorrow, if Lucky could speak, he'll tell you that tomorrow is Sunday.